friends, and welcome to my channel, Kiddoskoral. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad that you've decided to check out my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some food prep for you guys. I've got a couple new recipes I want to share with you guys that I have been making and enjoying. It is a beautiful day outside today. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but I am going to get this food prep going. One thing that I have found with the 17-day diet is if my meals are made and prepared ahead of time and put into containers, I am less likely to stray and, go off the diet or get frustrated because I really don't feel like, grilling chicken and cutting up vegetables every single night. So I've been pre-preparing my salads and my dinners and my yogurts, and I have them all stacked in the refrigerator. And the funny thing is I've been pre-preparing Dylan's meals as well, a few things so that he's not stuck eating the same things that I am, because he's young and he wants spaghetti and he wants things that he wants, and I totally understand that. So yeah, so I love being on top of things. I'm going to take you guys along with my couple hours here that I'm going to prep. Shouldn't take a couple hours, but because I'm filming, it's probably going to take me a little bit longer, but that's okay because I want to share this journey with you. So I thought I would show you real quickly, and excuse the rumbling in the background. That is actually my dryer. I'm going to shut that door here in a second. But as you can see here, these little containers here are all Dylan's. These little containers are fruit and yogurt, and then I have my meals prepared here and here. And today I've got 2 packages of chicken that needs to be used up, and I've got some veggies down here in the bottom, some peppers, I've got a zucchini, I've got salad stuff that most definitely needs to be used up. I've got some spinach here, some lettuce, and I've got some carrots, and I got a new Cuisinart food processor, and we are going to put those carrots in there and let it do the work for me for my salads. So let's get started. salads made for a couple of days. And you saw me grate or chop up the carrots with my new Cuisinart food processor. And my chicken just came off the grill. I'm going to show you guys. I'm trying to work in a small space here. There's my chicken. I'm going to box it up and it'll be ready to eat with our salads this week. Share this recipe with you guys because I really think this is an awesome keeper. Now, I love going to Chick-fil-A, but one thing about Chick-fil-A that I love the most is their chili lime salad dressing. And I thought, I'm gonna learn how to make this at home because I cannot keep coming to Chick-fil-A just because of the salad dressing. It's crazy, right? So I did want to show you, I did get a new gadget from Williams-Sonoma the day that I bought the Cuisinart actually, and this here is what I was making my lime juice out of and squeezing my limes. As you can see, my limes are so small, right? But anyways, I did get exactly how much I needed out of there, but this thing here really was a big help. What you're seeing in this large measuring cup is a half a cup of canola oil, and to that I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, make sure you get all of that in there, and a tablespoon of fresh chopped cilantro. To that, we want to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. So you want 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You want to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this. Whisk all of these ingredients together with a fork. And if you want to make a lot of this salad dressing, you can. And I find that honestly, what I like to do is I like to make it in one of these because it makes it easier to see your measurements, and then pour it into a mason jar. And before you serve it with your salad, to shake the mason jar really, really well before serving. This is so delicious. I love this recipe. I hope you guys try this salad dressing because it is really, really good. Now I'm going to share a recipe with you guys. You guys know that I have been making chicken fajita bowls, which is basically like fajitas without rice and beans and tortillas, which is probably the good part of fajitas. But the fajita bowls are really good. They're very seasoned and they're very satisfying. The first thing I'm starting out with is 1/4 cup of chili powder. Add in 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and thank you, Lucas, for bringing me this. Last time I made deviled eggs, I think it was for Memorial Day? I can't remember what the last, 4th of July, that's what it was. I didn't have any paprika and he brought me some from his place, so he saved a day. So I still have his paprika here. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Two teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 2 tablespoons of cumin. I'm going to give all of this a good stir. Make sure it's all well combined. Keep this in an airtight container, and you could fill this up completely. You know, I could make this again and again just to fill up my container. It will last. Mark it fajita seasoning and you will have it ready for whenever you need it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you like these prepping videos, and I will do more of these prepping videos because I think I have a lot of prepping here in the next several months, maybe the rest of my life, because honestly, this is working for me and I'm excited about this. So yeah, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I think I said that already, but seriously, subscribe. Got some awesome stuff coming your way, and I'll be talking to you all again. Bye, guys.